Three, two, one.
The vulture is a large carnivorous bird known for its scavenging nature, found on every continent except Antarctica. These birds play a vital role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystem. Despite their importance, vultures are often misunderstood and feared by humans. They have distinctive physical features that set them apart from other birds. They have broad wings, a long tail, and a sharp hooked beak. Their feathers are typically dark brown or black, and they have a bald head, which helps keep their feathers clean while feeding. Vultures are nature's cleanup crew. They feed on dead animals, helping to dispose of carcasses and prevent the spread of disease. This process also returns nutrients to the soil, promoting healthy plant growth. Without vultures, ecosystems would be plagued by rotting flesh and the diseases that come with it. Contrary to popular belief, vultures are highly intelligent birds. They have excellent eyesight and can spot prey from quite distance. They are also social creatures, often gathering in large groups to feed and roost. Some species of vultures have even been observed engaging in playful behavior. Unfortunately, many vulture species are threatened or endangered. Habitat loss, poisoning, and hunting have all contributed to declining populations. In some parts of the world, vultures are hunting for their body parts, which are believed to have medicinal properties. In conclusion, the vulture is a remarkable bird that deserves our respect and appreciation. Their role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystem is invaluable, and their intelligence and social behavior are fascinating. It is essential that we take our actions to protect these birds and preserve their habitats for future generations.